Hey, what's up guys? It's According to Will here again. We have another box from Japan and thought I'd do another unboxing video. So this is a little bit different. I do know what's in here. It's only a couple items in this box, but excited to get into it, see these in person. So let's do it. Robbie, you've done a pretty good job taping this box up. We got packing material. Love the Japanese newspaper. Alright, let's start with one of the smaller items. What we got here is an Impol clock for the V36 Infinities. It's very cool. I already have a Tommy Kaira version, but when I saw this one, I was like, had to have it because it was matching set to go with the Impol starter button that I have. Like I said, at the moment I have pretty well all Tommy Kaira interior bits on it, but still need to have the matching set now with the clock and the starter button. So thought I would pick that up for a future build, maybe. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see what happens here. Alright, cool. These are just the buttons and the wiring harness for a part we're about to get into. And this is the one that I'm excited for. Alright guys, we have Tommy Kaira gauge cover, or cluster cover, however you want to call it, again for the V36 Infinity G37s. Very cool. Will go nice with the rest of the Tommy Kaira interior that I have. Also has the red, accents on it, so nice faux Alcantara cover with the red accent bit, so that's very nice. I'll set that here for a second. And I believe the rest of these not really worth unboxing too much. It is just more of the other connecting bits, let's call it. So we'll take a look, I guess. So yeah, this is the bottom panel, also trimmed in the faux Alcantara. And yeah, as you can see here, that's the OEM starter button that comes with the Infinities. I put the GTR version, which is red button to go along with the red accents, but you can see here where the Impol button would swap into it. So if anybody has a blue set of interior, might be something worth looking into. They do make a black version as well, but anyways, yeah, quick recap. Tommy Kaira gauge cluster cover and the Impol clock to go along with the Impulse button that I got here. So kind of cool. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking them out. When we got another box, we'll do this again. Alright, until next time, guys.